Hello everyone, this is Angelo Pascusi. I'm from London, originally from Italy. This is my project for CS50, my final project. It's about a website for a restaurant and pizzeria. I started the project on Visual Studio Code, but then I moved to the CS50 IDE. I started with a virtual environment from Python, but then I discovered that it wasn't working on another PC, so I started with the CS50 IDE. It was much easier to use. This is the website. I can log in as a normal user. I can go to the menu, order something. You can see like there are collapsible descriptions of the items. I can choose to eat in. I can choose the whole space or just what I put in here, and I can add to basket. If I go to basket, the items are gonna be here. I made everything work with Jinja. I can choose the date for the collection or for my showing up to the restaurant, and then I can put the notes here. I can check out, and my orders are gonna show here. There was already one. I can log out and then log in as an administrator. And I can go to here to refill the stocks of available pizzas and whatever items I have. And I can go to orders to delete the obsolete orders which are before today's date. For example, this one is going to be deleted if I do this. Yeah. And then I can delete the orders I want from here, like this or this. And that's it. This is my project.